Sounded like a fire thing. Yo, Jay! Jay! What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we'll be exploring an abandoned Alai stadium that also served as a casino. It originally opened in 1973, becoming just one of 20 operating in the US. This location slowly became a training ground for players hoping to play at the Tampa, Florida stadium. At its peak, the 60,000 square foot building would hold crowds up to 2,000 people during games. The stadium became a hotspot for events, hosting not only reserved restaurants and concerts, but also wrestling events. Sadly, by the 2010s, Alai as a whole was on the decline, eventually leading the stadium to close down October of 2023. It sits abandoned, collecting dust and mold as the world slowly forgets about the dying sport.
Pretty new camera.
Well, it closed down 3 years ago. Stop taking photos.
Why?
We should tell that guy that the door is wide open and he should explore it. Tell us about the place.
He knows. He probably comes in here.
I really doubt that.
He comes over here and gets nude all the time.
He just walks around the inside butt naked.
Yeah.
It's a lot more fucked up than the photos looked.
Can't see shit in there.
I know. Got a big ass light though. We have to find the breaker for the lights in here.
Probably. It's probably in the room.
What?
It's probably in the room.
I'm gonna check
Somewhere.
over here. Not over there.
Nah.
Well, no, it usually stages have the electrical stuff behind it.
Should be in like a observation room or something.
Those old VHS tapes. So this says house lights.
Yeah, we need to find the breaker because the switches won't work unless the breaker's on.
Oh, look at this. Jay.
What? Oh, shit.
That's crazy. Fuck all these motherfuckers.
I don't think most of them do anything. There's a bat right there.
Oh, what the fuck?
You gotta wake it up.
Hell no, dude.
I'll record it. You gotta wake it up.
No, I'm not going near that.
If I wake it up, you gotta record it.
Okay, we're gonna get attacked. You're gonna die, Jay.
Am I gonna get coronavirus? Hold on.
Yeah. Be gentle.
Find your rest. Don't wait. What if it's just dead?
I don't. Oh.
It's dead. It's fucking dead.
Oh, what the fuck?
It's fucking dead.
Oh. Dude, that's sick.
It's pretty cool.
Look at that. Is there like just scores and shit from a really old game? Souvenirs?
Just go over there. There's a lot of them.
Where? Inside the vault? Oh, that way. Oh, wow.
Oh, this wasn't even it, but I haven't been in here.
Old uniforms and shit.
In here.
Ooh.
Get the fucking
Did you flip any of those?
fucking cart.
Look.
What? No, I wouldn't. Just leave all the power, because if we turn the power on, then whoever is in charge of this shit's gonna see that.
Well, I know, but
They
we
won't
want to
see the
get the main
main
area on. No one else has photos of that.
I don't think that controls the main area.
You never know. Yeah, it's gold. It's such a small amount, though. It's worth like nothing.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna get jack shit out of that.
I'm gonna get 3,000 $, nigga.
Oh, what the fuck? Look. This man's name is U.L. Jones, known as Sony.
And what's
He's
wrong
permanently
with that?
banned since 2014.
For robbing the vault?
Deadass?
No.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Look at all these fucking deposits. This is like,
That's their money?
yeah.
How much?
One of these is $120,000.
So Jay said he doesn't think so, but I feel like some of this goes to the main part. Those are a lot. Did nothing.
Something beeped.
Yeah. Sounded like a fire thing. Yo, Jay. 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 Oh, shit. Shit.